Today, we're diving into the world of continuous improvement methodologies. From Lean and Six Sigma to Agile and Kaizen, these methodologies serve as powerful frameworks for organizations striving to enhance efficiency, quality, and innovation. Join us as we explore the key principles and applications of these methodologies. My name is Luca, and welcome back to our channel all about using Lean Six Sigma to help you inspire, innovate, and improve. Now let's get started. First up, Lean methodology. Originating from Toyota's production system, Lean focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing value for customers. The core principles of Lean include identifying value from the customer's perspective, mapping the value stream to eliminate waste, creating flow to streamline processes, implementing pull systems for just-in-time production, and striving for perfection through continuous improvement. Lean tools such as value stream mapping, 5S, Kanban, and Kaizen events empower organizations to optimize processes and deliver superior value to customers. Next, let's explore Six Sigma methodology. Developed by Motorola and popularized by companies like General Electric, Six Sigma aims to reduce defects and variation in processes. It employs a data-driven approach to systematically improve processes and achieve measurable results. By setting clear objectives, measuring process performance, analyzing data to analyze root causes, implementing solutions, and establishing controls to sustain improvements, Six Sigma enables organizations to enhance quality, increase efficiency, and drive customer satisfaction. Before moving on to the next part of this video, if you'd like to learn more about Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques, check out our book on Amazon. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Consider also supporting our work on Patreon. All links will be in the description. Moving on to Agile methodology. Originally developed for software development, Agile has gained traction across various industries for its flexibility and adaptability. Agile emphasizes iterative development, collaboration, and customer feedback. The Agile Manifesto values individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. Frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming enable teams to deliver value incrementally, adapt to changing requirements, and continuously improve their processes. Now, let's explore Kaizen methodology. Hailing from Japan, Kaizen translates to continuous improvement. It's deeply rooted in the philosophy of making small, incremental changes for improvement. Kaizen encourages employee involvement, teamwork, and a culture of innovation. The key principles include standardizing processes, eliminating waste, empowering employees to suggest improvements, implementing changes quickly, and continuously seeking opportunities for enhancement. Kaizen events, Gemba walks, and quality circles are some of the techniques used to drive continuous improvement at all levels of the organization. Thanks for watching. Until next time, never stop improving.